Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be making some delicious enchiladas, hatch chili enchiladas. So let's get started. All right, so these are the ingredients that we're going to be using today. Let me just adjust my camera a little better. Okay, so I've got some chicken thighs that I've already cooked in this hatch chili dressing. You can get this at your local grocery store. I got mine at H-E-B. So you bake the chicken, then I shredded it and threw away the fat. Okay, we've got some onions here, about a half of an onion. I got my enchilada sauce, green chili enchilada sauce, and I've got my taco sauce. So I'm gonna mix all this together in this bowl over here. And so let's get started. So what we're gonna do is pour the green chili enchilada sauce into the bowl. I should have reserved some for it to pour on top. So I'm gonna reserve a little bit to pour on top of the enchiladas. Just reserve a little bit. Reserve about a cupful to pour on top of the enchiladas. All right. And I know that wasn't the most kosher thing to do, to stick that can back in there, but hey, I'm just trying to save time. Okay, next we're gonna add our onions. Add the onions in there. Got my tortillas sitting over to the side. Took them out of the refrigerator, so they're just over to the side along with the cheese that I'm going to use. Okay, so next we're going to add is the chicken. And slowly add the chicken in. And these enchiladas are going to be delicious. You can use whatever kind of enchilada sauce you want to use. You can use the red enchilada sauce, but I chose green chili because that's what I had the most of in my pantry. Make sure to get all these green chilies off the plate. Okay. Now I'm going to get something to stir that up with. Okay, so stir all that together. Make sure you mix everything well. Onions and everything else. Okay, now we're ready to start making some enchiladas. So I'm gonna go get my pan, and I gotta add my taco sauce. Let me add my taco sauce really quickly. Just gonna make it change colors, because it's taco seasoning. So it's gonna turn to like a reddish color, but that's okay. Mix that up well. See, it turned to a reddish color. But like I said, that's okay. Let me do a taste test. That is so good. Just like a taco enchilada. All right, now we're gonna get our tortillas in our pan. Oh, and we need some beans. Just to make it stick together. So where are my beans? Where are my refried beans? I know I didn't use them up. Let's see, they're in here. Okay, I took some of the beans and I put it on this enchilada. And then I'm going to take some of the meat, put it on there. I really need a spoon for this. Let me grab a spoon for this part. Okay, put some meat on there. As much as you want. Then you're going to take it and you're going to roll it. Oh, I need to add a little cheese. Add a little cheese. And then just roll it. Roll it, then place it upside down in your pan. So it'll stay rolled. Take the next one, do the same thing, add some beans. Spread it out. Then add your chicken. I've seen some people fold it in half, then fold it under, but that's just, to me, like they'll do it like this. Fold it in half, and then they'll fold it under that, like that. So either way you go, it's okay. As long as it stays folded. You want it to stay folded. I'm gonna go this way, have 2 rows. Okay. Again, with the beans. You know, they have refried beans in plastic now, as well as in a can. So, whichever one works for you, that's what you go for. Put some, I think I forgot to put cheese on that last one. So I might have to redo that one. And you add a little cheese, because we're going to top it off with cheese. And there you go. I'll take this one and put some cheese in there. Oh, I did put cheese in there. Okay, my bad. I can't remember from 1 minute to the next. Crazy. Okay, take another one. You get the gist of what I'm doing? I think you do. Okay. You're going to spread that out around. You don't need a whole lot of beans in there, because some people don't like beans. So just use a little bit. And you're going to roll it. You see something's coming out at the ends, on each end, but that's okay. All right, I'll come back when they're finished with all of them. Okay, I've got my first pan done. They're ready to get the last bit of this on it, and then I'm going to put some cheese on top of that. Don't skimp on the cheese. I got another bag of cheese I'm gonna have to pull out. Don't be stingy with the cheese. Just pour it all on there. Okay. Okay, I'll open another bag of cheese. Put it on there like so. I'm going to put this in the oven. Pour some more sauce on top if you want to. It's up to you. All right, now this bad boy is about to go in the oven. Doesn't it look delicious? I'm going to put it in the oven. Make some more. Okay, we're going to make some more enchiladas. Beans. I'm going to make the rest of them off camera, but I just wanted to show you one last time how I do it. I'm going to get some chicken, put it in the middle. You want to put it in the middle and not on the ends, because it'll slide out at the ends once you flip it over. Get you some cheese. This time I got red enchilada sauce. Okay, put one right there. I don't know if I can make 2 rows. Yeah, I think I can make 2 rows. And you just keep going until all the enchiladas are made. I'll come back when they're all made. Okay, and here's the finished product, ready to go into the oven. Ready to go right into the oven. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in to Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, and here's the finished product. We got our red enchiladas, red sauce, enchiladas with red sauce, and we have our enchilada with the green chili sauce. Thanks for tuning in to Ella Dishes It Out, and as always, bon appetit.